Welcome Year 11 to A-Level Product Design. It builds on the skills and knowledge you have from your GCSE DT course, but obviously extends them with much more advanced skills and processing, including industrial manufacturing processes and more CAD/CAM, both 2D and 3D. Following the changes to this year's GCSE and the model making that you've involved in, without so much manufacturing and making in workshops, we're altering the course to make it even more practical in Year 12, still with a huge amount of theory to cover, but a chance for you to develop and learn new skills, including aluminium casting, use of the vacuum bag to laminate timbers, vacuum forming, the 3D printer and 2D laser cutter, which we expect you to be able to use independently, and of course the range of workshop machines and hand tools that we have available in the workshop. You need to raise your skill level during Year 12, which doesn't count towards your final A-level grades, and we set you a design and make task during the year as well as shorter tasks. The major task this year is an LED lamp for a particular client, based upon one of the international design movements. The assessment is all in Year 13, 50% exam and 50% NEA. The 2 exam courses, 2.5 hours and 1.5 hours, cover the technical and design skills you learn throughout the course. The 50% NEA, the non-examined assessment, is very similar to your GCSE, obviously more advanced, still using a PowerPoint to record your design sketches, the evidence of your making, your planning, meeting with clients, and then the final testing and evaluation at the end. Project entirely of your choice. It's not constrained by a context set by the exam board, and it enables you to go into areas, explore areas of interest to you. There is a need for us to understand more about industrial manufacturing when we get to sixth form. So we go out on factory visits to see how everything from batch production, mass production, continuous production all take place, use of robotics, modern manufacturing methods. And we invited experts in for them to come and talk to you, and also ex-students who are on design and engineering courses, so that you can pick their brains and find out what the current situation is at different universities. We also try and put the design into a worldwide context. So of course, whilst we're looking at innovation and design from across the world, we also go to London for a residential trip in the autumn term, where we go to the Science Museum, Victoria and Albert Museum, to look at products and materials. We have design and study sessions at the Design Museum. We also have a lecture from world-class designers in a lecture theatre called the Emmanuel Centre near the House of Parliament, where there are over 900 design students gathered together to hear talks from these famous designers. The course is worth the same number of university points as other A-levels, but for those that don't want to go to uni, we also have excellent links with Princess Yachts, Babcock, Centrax and Western Power and others for those that want to follow the apprenticeship route. We can cover both those in the course, and we've had students have had excellent results in the past and followed on to have great careers. The world is changing. We know that the job you're probably going to end up doing may not even exist now, and we hope the design technology course will get you be looking forward to see what develop your skills, and hopefully give you the skills to develop and come into careers that we don't even know of now, that may be fantastic and change our future. Contact me if you have any more questions. The email links on both slides, or I look forward to seeing the English block sometime in the future. Good luck.